Well people, hello from the Silver Tassie Hotel and Spa, north of Letterkenny, on a cloudy day with potential rain, right? So yeah, I'm after staying there for 3 nights, right? It's a 4-star hotel. I'd highly recommend it, my friends, right? Very, very good. Right, so I'm heading back home today, but before I go home, I'm going up the road here to a place called Fanad Lighthouse, and you're all very welcome to join me. So stay tuned, my friends, stay tuned. Look at the farmer here and his trailer. Look at his brake lights and his indicator lights tied, look, by a string or a rope, look. See that? In his old Ford tractor. You'll see that now a lot in Ireland. I have to say, the #1 tractor I've seen up here in Donegal is the Massey Ferguson. And the old Massey Fergusons, you know, they don't need big massive tractors up here because of the landscape, you know what I mean? Anyway, we're going this direction, my friends. Right, could you just stop here? Oh, this is another lovely drive out here to this Fanad Lighthouse on a blustery day, my friends, in Donegal. Ah, this is great. Look at this, my friends. Look at the sheep. Wow, it's very windy here. Ah, hello, bah! Now stay there. Hello. Hello. Hello, are you well? Are you well? Yeah. It's a fine looking sheep, my friends. Fine looking sheep. I'm from County Meath and you're from Donegal. Ah, super cool, isn't it? Look at that for a view. Ah, magnificent, magnificent, my friends. Woo! Ah, it's windy up here. Well, we move on again, my friends, so stay tuned. Not too far now from, we're 10 minutes away from Fanad Lighthouse, okay? And forgive me for stopping, but I just can't help it with all this fantastic scenery I'm seeing. Woo! Right, people, finally here at Fanad Lighthouse. Let's go out and explore this place, people, right? Stay tuned. This is a cool little shop here at Fanad Lighthouse. So listen, I just have a lovely little latte here. And have to wait just 10 minutes and head up to the lighthouse. Ticket here, €12, right? Now I think you can go up into the lighthouse, right? Not too sure. But isn't this just a lovely place, isn't it? So chilling, look. That's the North Atlantic you're looking at out there, my friends. Look.
It's a fancy name, isn't it? Are you sitting in?
Yes.
Yes.
Beautiful up here, beautiful.
For the tickets?
The tickets are €12 each.
Okay.
And
Right, people, I'm walking up now. The tour is at 11 p.m. here. Sorry, 11 a.m. here, right? That woman was saying there's a VR 6-minute film. She says don't miss it. She says if you miss it before you do the lighthouse, make sure you do it after. She says it's very, very good. Look at the landscape, my friends. Isn't it just lovely, isn't it? Isn't it fantastic, isn't it? Look at the helicopter landing pad. Wow. Now isn't that fabulous over there, isn't it? Look. There's a little beach down there as well, there is, look. Can you see that? Amazing, my friends. Ah, this is the bee's knees. The bee's knees, my friends. Oh my God, look at this. Look at this. Isn't it just fabulous, my friends? Fabulous. Wow. This is a fantastic tour, my friends.
See that's the fuel tank that I talked about.
Oh, yeah.
Quite a large one.
Yeah,
You wouldn't want to have the job
okay.
following it and paying for it.
Yeah, yeah. First time up a lighthouse, my friends, ever. This is just super cool. See all the timber here in Fanad Lighthouse almost at the top. It's all mahogany. And I reckon that this cold cabinet had to be made up here. It would have been too heavy to carry up. So this was made up here in Fanad Lighthouse, okay?
There's a light there to check out. That is LED. There are actually 36 lights in that.
But it's only working during the night. So from sundown to sunrise.
Just here the sides, photocells. And because the brightness, once that drops below,
Look how small the bulbs are now. The modern bulbs, my friends. Isn't that amazing, isn't it?
Probably one lady eventually. Right, from number one, see this crack here.
Right, people, so way over there,
See this one here.
can't see in the GoPro, is Malin Head. That's the most northerly part of Ireland, my friends. I didn't have time to go up there this time, but I will the next time I come up to Donegal.
So that's happened to what happened that he says.
Now, people, that was fantastic. My first time up a lighthouse, but the information that that man is after telling us about here, and the shipwrecks, tragic shipwrecks off the coast here. So make sure you pay a visit to here, please, people. Well, if you want to, the Fanad. It was well worth it. Beyond my expectations, actually. Beautiful place as well, so picturesque. Right, people, the visit to Fanad Lighthouse here was beyond my expectations, right? I didn't realise that you were able to go up into the top of the lighthouse, right? But the information and the tragedies, the ship tragedies that took place out here of this lighthouse here is just amazing to read or to be told about, right? Mad tragedies. It's in an absolutely beautiful place here, I have to say, beautiful. And it's very, very windy here now at the minute. But put it on your bucket list for sure if you're in Donegal. It's well worth the visit, and it's well worth €12 for sure. Okay? Here's a little game here, people. It's called knock over the lighthouses, right? With the ball. Look at this ball. Right, are you ready? Will I knock one of them over? Will I be successful? Let's see. Missed. Aha! I got one, my friends. That made my day. Right, people, that's it from beautiful Fanad Lighthouse in North Donegal, my friends, right? So, stay tuned for my next video. Press the notification bell to know when it's uploaded. Always on a Sunday after 5 p.m. And if you like the video, please press the like button. And if you're new to the channel, please press subscribe. It's free, okay? And stay tuned for next Sunday. I might have one more video from Donegal, right? So stay tuned, my friends. Take care and keep safe, okay? Bye.